Meghalaya Opposition Congress today expressed displeasure over the National People's Party process in other parts of northeastern region through improper means. Addressing media in Shillong, Meghalaya Congress spokesperson Zenit Sangma accused the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma of encouraging corruption in order to expand his organized and strengthen the ruling National People's Party in other parts of the northeast region. Congress spokesman and Rangsakona legislator Zenit Sangma said that the modus operandi of the NPP is to make inroads in the different parts of northeastern region. They are going to put up lots of candidates in the upcoming Assam election, which are going to be held next year. Zenit further added that it is an open secret and everybody is talking about the move of the NPP's expansion to other states in the northeast through undesirable means.
Power department or any other department, be it in COVID management. See, some ministers are being accused of, but I am telling you, it's a well-scripted modus operandi as mentioned by our leader of the opposition. Because, like in the case of illegal transportation of coal, from the day one of the MDA government headed by Mr. Conrad Sangma, we can see frequent transfer of officers. Now, why these frequent transfers of officers is being necessary? Because when certain officer, be it the head of the department in any such departments, or be it the officers in the district administration, whether it is DC or SP, frequent transfer. When any officer is found to be not complying with the requirement of these greedy people, then the officers are being transferred frequently. And somebody else who, with precondition, who is going to comply with the needs of these greedy people, will be brought and posted in such districts. So, when any officer is transferred before completing 3 years, definitely it requires the approval of the Chief Minister. The Home Minister, whether it was James Sangma or the present Home Minister or anybody, cannot do the transfer on his own unless they get the approval of the Chief Minister, if it is less than 3 years. The rule says. So, in this case, the Chief Minister is paving the way, to enable his ministers to make money through corrupt practices, or anybody in the party who are involved can do the same, and ultimately it will benefit everybody in their party. That is the main intention that could be found from their actions. Because, as it is rightly said, action speaks louder than words. So we can understand what is the modus operandi behind. Now, this NPP, very newly born party, and now Mr. Conrad Sangma, being the president of the party, claiming that they are being able to extend its existence to other parts of the Northeast. Assam election will be next year. There also they are going to put up lots of candidates, it is talked about. So, if we do some analytical study on this, these people, the party in power, they are doing all these things and trying to organize the party and making its existence in other parts of the Northeast slowly. So this is the kind of modus operandi that they are having. So let me tell you again, in the process of this corrupt practice, we cannot just accuse or blame only one or two ministers concerned. It is very much with the knowledge of the Chief Minister. It is very much with the involvement of the Honorable Chief Minister. As I have said, he is, as the Chief Minister, he is paving the way and enabling others to do which they want to do. That's it.